You have seen the pipeline. You have traced the data economy. You know how the machine captures, converts, extracts, and disposes. But there is a layer you have not yet examined. The layer that protects the machine from consequences. The legal shields. The laws, the loopholes, the lobbyists that keep the pipeline running. Without these shields, the machine would be vulnerable. With them, it is untouchable. Tonight, we expose the armor. Welcome to Mysterious Encounters. Tonight, we continue exploring the system's architecture. We move from the pipeline and the data economy to the legal shields that protect it. The laws, the loopholes, the lobbyists, the machine's armor. The machine does not just operate, it is protected. The protectors are lobbyists' hired guns who write laws, influence regulators, and ensure that the machine remains untouchable. The gambling industry spends billions on lobbying. In 2023 alone, the industry spent over $200 million on federal and state lobbying. That is not influence, that is ownership. The lobbyists write the laws, they draft the language, they choose the loopholes, they ensure that the machine can operate without interference. The lobbyists also hire former regulators. The revolving door spins both ways. A regulator who oversees the industry can become a lobbyist for the industry. The watcher becomes the protector. The machine does not break the law. It writes the law. The laws are full of loopholes. They are not accidents. They are designed. Sovereign immunity. The Seminole tribe and other sovereign nations cannot be sued without consent. Their operations are protected by treaty, not just regulation. Offshore jurisdictions. The machine routes money through countries with no oversight. The Cayman Islands, Malta, Curacao. The laws do not reach there. Data privacy exemptions. The machine collects your data. The laws exempt it from privacy protections. You have no right to know what it knows about you. Advertising loopholes. The machine targets vulnerable populations. The laws do not stop it. They enable it. The loopholes are the machine's escape routes. When the law closes one door, the machine opens another. The regulators are supposed to protect you. They are supposed to enforce the laws. They are supposed to hold the machine accountable. They do not. The regulators are underfunded. They are understaffed. They are outmatched by the machine's resources. The regulators also depend on the industry for their careers. The revolving door is not just about lobbyists. It is about regulators who hope to become lobbyists. They do not bite the hand that feeds them. The machine has captured the regulators. The watchdogs are now the protectors. The machine does not just lobby, it donates. It funds political campaigns. It buys influence, direct contributions. The machine gives money to candidates who support its interests. Super PACs. The machine funnels unlimited money through independent expenditure groups. Dark money. The machine gives anonymously through shell companies and nonprofits. The donations are not charity. They are investments. The machine expects a return. The return is favorable legislation, lax enforcement, and continued protection. The politicians are not corrupt. They are bought. The purchase is legal. That is the point. The machine also protects itself in the courts. It has a legal army, corporate attorneys. The machine employs thousands of lawyers who specialize in defending the pipeline. Class action waivers. The machine forces users to sign arbitration agreements. You cannot sue. You cannot join a class action. Friendly judges. The machine funds judicial campaigns. It ensures that friendly judges are elected or appointed. The courts are supposed to be independent. They are not. The machine has invested in the judiciary. The investment pays off. The machine also needs a social license. It needs you to believe it is legitimate. It needs you to accept the harvest. The social license is built through branding, advertising, and cultural normalization. The machine makes you feel that its presence is natural, inevitable, and acceptable. The logos we have decoded are part of the social license. The colors, the shapes, the names, all of them are designed to make you feel trust. The machine is not just legal, it is normal. The social license is the machine's final shield. If you accept the machine, you protect it. You do not question it. You do not resist it. You become part of the shield. The machine is protected by legal shields. The lobbyists write the laws. The loopholes provide escape routes. The regulators look the other way. The politicians accept the donations. The courts enforce the agreements. The social license makes you complicit. The shields are not impenetrable. They are only as strong as your acceptance. If you withdraw your acceptance, the shields weaken. If you refuse to participate, the shields crack. The machine is vast, but it is not invincible. It depends on your silence. Your silence is its strongest shield. The legal shields protect the machine, but the machine has another layer, the addiction pipeline itself. How the machine creates and sustains addiction. Next week, we explore the chemistry, the psychology, and the engineering of dependency. Next Monday on Mysterious Encounters. The System Unveiled, Part 4, The Addiction Pipeline.